So this is the SUNAVO hot plate, and I got this for my camper because I took out the gas stove because I didn't want to have any gas in there, and I figured if I'm going to run gas anyways, I might as well run the generator and then just use everything electric inside. Just don't like gas inside of it for some reason. So let's check it out. And so comes pretty well boxed here. And see what we got. I was using an induction burner before, but it just kept breaking on me, so that one went back. So let's see what this one is. Wow, look at this. Pretty nice looking little plate. Let's just plug it in here and give it a little try, just to see what it does. You know. Well, I won't heat it up too much because I don't want to burn my house down. Just see if it works. Okay, so it's off now. Oh, and now it's on minimum. Let's see if it gets hot. I'll turn it up high. And there it is, getting hot already. Pretty nice. Ooh, yeah. So it heats up pretty quick and pretty nice. And ooh, pretty nice construction. It's nice and thin, so it'll fit in my cabinets in the trailer really easy. And be able to cook back on the road again. I like it. Let's see, there's some instructions here too. Probably just tells me what to do or how to clean it or something. Oh, yeah, little cleaning pad for it. Nice. So that's it, the SUNAVO cooktop burner. Nice and light and good. I like it.